Hey there, quick review on these Rhino USA 2-inch by 10-foot retractable ratchet straps. I've purchased a lot of different Rhino straps over the years, and I've been extremely happy with all of them. You'll notice immediately whenever you unbox any Rhino product, the fit and finish and the way they package things in their box just shows a lot about how much they care about their product. They really go the extra mile with everything. It is really nice with this kit. They do give you a couple of soft shackle tie downs. You can put these around a handlebar on a motorcycle, different things like that, and it'll give you something to attach to without damaging the handlebar or whatever it is you're tying down. So these are awesome. Taking a look at the actual straps. With a 2-inch by 10-foot strap, the whole thing is going to be fairly beefy because that's a lot of strap to keep housed in a unit like this. So pulling it out, go back in, just pushing this button here, pull out. I'm gonna ratchet it down. It's pretty simple. Lock it down like so, and then whenever you want to retract, again, just a matter of pushing this button on here and it sucks in really nicely. These straps look absolutely excellent. The fit and finish on these is next level, really nice looking product. You will notice here on the hooks, they've got a retainer clip right here that is spring loaded. We've all thrown straps over on something, tried to hook it, and then had the hooks fall off. You're not gonna have that with these. Your throat depth on the hooks is about average. It's not super wide, but it's not too narrow that you won't be able to hook onto things. And again, they do include these soft shackle straps that you'll be able to use as well. There is also a nice plastic coating on the hooks that's going to protect whatever you're hooking onto, not do damage there. The housing also has a nice plastic edge across the front here, just to keep the metal from scraping anything. You do have the option to bolt these down as well, as you see back here. That's a really handy feature. Here we are, I've got my 10-foot strap installed here on my utility trailer. You can see this is gonna be super nice with a 2-inch strap, nice long reach when you're all done with it. Just hit the button, nice strong spring pulls that back in. Really, really well. Just an excellent product.